Chat GPT. The name is very interesting. Chat. I think it has what it takes to be a good chat. Wow. क्या सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. अरे बाबू गीला हो जाएगी तुम गजब पागल है अरे. She is trying to pull me into the. It's nice. They have put. So we are booked for today, and depending upon the experience, we might extend or not, right? Okay, let's get in. This looks like some sitting area. It's nice. Here we came. We had to do kind of like a self check-in here. Nice. And let's have a look at the common area. Right, the common area of the hostel looks nice. Right now there aren't a lot of people, and our room is just near the common area only. Sorry. So we have gotten these two beds. It's nice, small, nice, cozy.
They are very creative. See,
Very
thinking
creative.
room for washroom.
Thinking room is washroom.
Yeah,
And so they have written thinking room for washroom.
And inside washroom, they have written something like peace.
Nice. So generally, I have seen that in this kind of hostels, they too tend to be a bit creative and the kind of things that they write very funny.
Yeah.
They will put stickers which are funny, but they do tend to convey some sort of instruction, but they convey that instruction in a funny way. So that's nice. And we have a big mirror here.
And nobody is here in this room. Only we have.
So this also looks nice. So we are going to freshen up a bit, and then we'll go out to explore. Right, we'll freshen up a bit, and then we'll go out for explore.
We'll go to beach, right?
We'll go to beach. So there's a beach nearby, around 3 kilometers.
Yes.
I don't exactly remember the name right now. But yeah, we'll go out. We'll eat something. Hai na?
Then we will
Right.
go to the beach.
Yes. Right, hi guys. So we just got freshened up a little bit, right? Then we have planned to go to the beach. So now we'll be going to the beach. So you can see the road nearby is very nice. Yes, or no? Very peaceful. There's not much traffic here. Very calm.
It's very nice.
Are you liking it, Babu?
Yes, I'm liking it very much.
Yes.
The weather is very nice.
So now we are heading towards the beach. So the beach is actually quite far, means it's not at a walkable distance. It's around 3.5 kilometers. So we'll see how much we can walk or what mode of transportation we might have to use moving forward, right? So let us see. So right now though we are just walking along these roads, right? We also need to see where we can eat something. So we just came out on this road, and here we have a small temple which is looking nice. Siksha, they have also written like name as school. I don't know, but it's a temple. Right. Nice Hindu temple. The by-lanes of Chennai are looking nice. We have been walking for quite a while now. We are trying to figure out where we can eat. We are trying to walk on the footpaths, but the footpaths are not walkable, I would say. Something or the other keeps coming, and we keep going back to the main road. Okay. Anyhow, so we have come. I think this is the backside of World Trade Center. This building looks magnificent. Magnificent, magnanimous, huge, big, grand. These are the words that I am able to come up with now. Right. It is really difficult to vlog on such a busy road. You have to be aware of what is there in your surrounding. Well, while walking, we came across this restaurant which looks very famous here because a lot of people, and I think the food here must be very nice. Bilal Mount Road, kebabs and biryanis. So I think people are enjoying their tea and bun maska and chai and all. So we will join them and we'll try to see how it is. We'll have something here. Here there was mostly bun maska and tea and mini samosa and all. So right now we are not in the mood of having bun maska or tea or mini samosa. We want to eat in a good amount because we are hungry. कुछ रोल खाएगी क्या बाबू? Here there is another shop, Chart GPT. The name is very interesting. Chart GPT, charts and more. So let us see what we get here. This place looks nice. We are going to try something here now. Let's see what is there in the menu. Oh, pani puri, sev puri, ये सब है इधर. Chocolate sandwich and all. So we have ordered a cutlet and chana samosa, which is more like samosa chaat. So samosa chaat will take time. Now let us see. I like the vibe here. It's quite peaceful. Wow. It looks tasty, right? How is it? How is the taste, Babu? Nice. I think the cutlet is filled with potato only. And I think when the chaat is ready.
Tasty and crispy.
It's cold. Thank you. Thank you. Cutlet is cold actually, so I am not liking it much to be honest. But the chaat looks very promising. Now let's try this one. It's better to like keep it somewhere and eat. That way it would be easier. Be careful, Babu. I am vlogging, but still I am being careful. You also be careful. You can come here. Yes, now let us try. I really want to try that roll as well. The roll looks promising. People are not eating roll, they are having tea, but yeah. Let me try this.
நம்ம யாருமே இல்லல ஹிப்ஸ் கூட வந்து ரொம்ப டைட்டா இருக்கு அதான் சொன்னாங்க ஹிப்ஸ் வந்து ஓபன்ல அதான் சொல்லிருக்காங்க
Very yummy.
I think it has what it takes to be a good chaat.
Chola is very tasty, right?
The save which they have drizzled over the top is very crunchy. It's nice, good experience. You can try here. The samosa also is crispy. And since it has chana, it will be very filling. Yeah, we are quite hungry. So this is definitely going to help. Right. Fine, so we'll talk to you once we finish this. So we have come here to this roll shop to have some roll. Now we are gonna try. When I was trying the chart at that time only, I wanted to try this roll. Now let us see how well it comes off. Whether this is it too wide. Let me check the camera angle. You can check the vibe here. I think a lot of people who work in that World Trade Center maybe they come here, and this place also looks nice. Roll and roast. They have quite a lot of things on their menu, like you can check out what they have. Some burgers and rolls and all. Right. Fine, so we are going to try it. She has ordered a veg roll and I have ordered a chicken roll.
Yes.
I will see how it tastes.
After that, we will be going to beach.
After that, we'll be going to the beach. Yes, indeed, we'll be going to the beach.
How the beach is and how the road is.
But it's getting dark, so I'm not sure how much we'll enjoy. Maybe we'll go to Basant Nagar beach or Elliot beach, because there they have a vibe at night as well. Because right now it's dark, so this is like a small secluded beach. There may not be a lot of vibe, but we'll see. Right? Guys, so we have come to this place. This is like a small juice and snacks shop that we found, and we came here because we were hungry. So she has ordered Maggie. She has ordered veg Maggie, but not a lot of vegetables, so she was not very happy about it. But then we also ordered fruit salad, and the fruit salad is looking very promising. It looks nice. So they have given like in a platter. The presentation also is nice. Right, and she's having Maggie. How's your Maggie, Babu? It's tasty, right? Nice. So let's enjoy this one.
It doesn't have much vegetables, but taste is good.
Right. So we just finished our evening snack. We had a Maggie, a veg Maggie, and fruit bowl. It was okay. Since there were not a lot of vegetable in the veg Maggie, we both didn't like it much, but the taste was good. And the fruit bowl also, it was okay. Means the apple was not that good. Other things were okay, so it was fine. Overall, it's okay. Not a very good experience, but we were hungry. We had to eat something, and we did. Right now, so now we have booked an auto, and we'll be going to Elliott's Beach. So the auto is showing as 1 minute, so the auto will be coming soon, and we'll be going to Elliott's Beach now. Right. So how much was the total bill? How much did you pay?
90.
So 90 rupees for both Maggie and the fruit bowl. Right. Fine. The pricing is fine, not too high.
35 rupees for Maggie and 55 for fruit bowl.
Right. So now we have booked the auto. The auto is coming in a minute, and then we'll go to Elliott's Beach. This area, I'm not sure what it is called. So like we are on our way to Elliott's Beach, and this is the view. Here it looks like some kind of church. Yes, quite lit. That lane looked nice. Right. Yeah, people are out and about, snacking, eating. Feel like we are near to the beach. You can see some kind of carnival is also going on there. We are here at Elliott's Beach, and this beach does have a vibe. You can see there Starbucks is there, and a lot of people around. Some 12D show is going on apparently here, and it's evening, but this place is lit. People are having fun. Even our mood got uplifted after we came here. Now a lot of fruits here, a lot of fruits, nice fruits. Yeah, Basant Nagar Beach or Elliott's Beach we call it. the place is lit. It's drizzling a little bit, so let's hope it does not rain. I will go that side. That looks like a passage.
Outside the resort.
Hmm.
Sand.
Sand. Yeah, means the sand is up until here, which is like the very far from the shore, the actual water that is there, right? So right as you arrive, you will see a lot of hawkers, a lot of stalls, a lot of places to eat, a good amount of food.
But we already
And
ate.
in general, the area is very lit.
already ate a lot.
So mostly
Pani puri.
junk food, pani puri and all you can have here.
Chai
If you
story.
want.
Chai story.
Chai story. You can have some tea. So you can see some people are enjoying. People are having fun.
I'm feeling cold, yeah.
Yes.
Because water is dismal. That's why.
You can also enjoy some sort of sports here, as you can see. You can nice vibe overall.
It's free, then it's a good game, right? You can try it.
You can see this. A lot is happening
You
here.
have to give him your
Coffee,
hoodie.
KC
Give me your
Beauty
hoodie.
coffee.
I'm feeling very cold. Oh.
The fruits somehow the fruits are looking very
Very
nice here,
fresh.
very fresh. Seems amazing.
Here food, I think food is good.
Very colorful and very fresh. Do
Very
you want to try
creative.
something?
No.
I think they are selling corn and boiled peanuts and fruits, different cut fruits. Kind of like how they do in Thailand. And in Thailand also, when we have visited, they used to put like all these kind of fruits in plastic cups with long toothpicks to eat. Yeah, the vibe here is nice. A lot of people chilling, enjoying,
A lot of things to
playing, right? Okay. So here you can do horse riding as well.
Yeah, we
Lot of horses ready to take you on a ride
भाई चलना
along the
चलते हो
shore.
यार हम जा रहे हैं जल्दी
And
करो
people are now you
इतना मस्त व्यू है और हम लोग यहाँ पर
go near the shore, right? So generally on these beaches I have beaches.
बाबू I'm feeling very good never been
I think there is some kind of memorial is there. We'll go there later. This one you see, I remember this very profoundly because when I used to live here in Chennai because of my college and internships, when we used to come to the beaches, they used to roast maize, I think, and from that roasting fire that they used to put, this kind of sparks used to come in between, and it used to look very beautiful. I think on Marina Beach you will find more. Here also it is there, and it's the same thing is happening right now also, and it gives me a bit of a nostalgia, and I think this is something new. They are selling sweet. What do you call it? I'm not sure what is the name of the sweet. I'll show you what I was talking about, the maize thing. It is there. I'll show it to you later. Cotton candy, you know? This one is called as cotton candy. So this is like white cotton candy that they are selling. This place is quite windy. Lot of wind. Wow. People are enjoying. I'm not gonna go. This is high tide. It's late at night. I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna go, Babu. You go. You go. I don't want to feel cold. You can go, Babu. Why are you pushing
आगे
me?
चलो अच्छा लगेगा अच्छा लगेगा
अरे बाबू गीला हो जाएगी तुम गजब पागल है अरे She is trying to pull me into the
this is very boring person actually I tell you
Go, you enjoy. Live your life. जा सिमरन, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी. Yeah, I'm not gonna get in. ज़्यादा दूर मत जाओ. Don't go too far, बाबू. Come this side. The tides are quite big right now. I think because of I don't know. It's high tides generally at nights because of the pull of the moon. The tides tend to get higher. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Lovely. आ जाओ इधर. रात का समय डूब जाएगी पता भी नहीं चलेगा. हाँ तो क्या बता रही है मुझे तो इसलिए तो बोल इधर ही रहो enjoy there people are enjoying why you are trying to get into the water unnecessarily. Okay, she wants some pictures to be taken. Let me take them.
And
We are just walking along the shore and the water is coming and touching us.
he's not letting the water to touch him.
We are feeling very peaceful walking along this beach. It's windy. The weather is super awesome, super awesome. We are feeling very nice.
The weather is super
And-
romantic.
If you can see, that is what I was talking about at that time.
Oh.
When they are like trying to roast the maize, this kind of sparkle comes out, and it looks very nice. Like if you go to Marina Beach, there's a lot more of them there. You'll be able to see a lot more of them there.
What is that?
Yeah, it's nice.
What is that?
Something has just come up the shore. They must have drawn something. It seems like oh, maybe Ganpati idol or something. It's windy. I'm not sure how much noise you are hearing, but the feeling is awesome. The water is coming to touch us again and again, and you can see a lot of people here. This is not very late at night, 7:37, but I'm sure up until late there will be vibe here, and you can also see some police doing regular patrolling. So that is also a good thing. So you don't have to worry about the safety, right? People are enjoying the shore. Nice. Again, I'm not sure how much you can see. There is some kind of memorial. We'll see what is there. And there some church is there. Some church and Ferris wheel also I can see. So we'll try to go to that side as well. Right. Let's just hear the beach. Let me cancel out the noise cancellation. And just you feel the breeze, the air, the sound of the shore. It's nice. They have put this some kind of game with a lot of toys. I think probably if you hit one of them, so it's like target practice game. You throw a ball, and if you desettle, or if you like, kind of bowling, similar to bowling, if you can drop all those cups by a single hit, maybe, depending upon how many cups you are gonna make fall, you will get a prize corresponding to that amount, right? You can also enjoy a lot of seafood. The smell of the fish, I can smell it. Or hot coffee, cold coffee, lassi, all these things are there. Okay, here we'll try something. Look like some kind of tandoori chai he is making. He has put the I think he's putting it in sand. And it is going to boil because of the heat of the sand. Right. Maybe. It's a new way. I think it hits it from all the direction. And that gives it a kind of smoky or tandoori flavor. Let's see how this tea turns out to be. Now tell me, how is the tea? Normal tea. It's just a fancy way to heat it up. Okay, right. Let us not criticize it too much. We are not food blogger. It's fine. Just sharing the experience. You could try. It's up to you. You might like or may not like. We are not here to give any rating. Yes. Thank you. Out of the beach area, you can see a lot of coffee shops there. Mylapore coffee, and that is also some kind of coffee. So you have like a lot of shops where you can eat. If you are hungry, you can eat. Again, Karupatti coffee and halwa shop. And a lot of police deployment is also there for safety purpose. Mobile combat police, nice. Popeyes, KFC is also there. So you can find all the famous smoky doki and God knows what, all kind of eateries here. To the beach there is a monument like this. Now I want to see what is that.
Have you ever
We'll go
been
there.
before? Have you
Actually I have lived in Chennai earlier, but I have not explored much.
for
this.
how many?
Here there is a very interesting memorial near the shores of Elliott's Beach. So if you can see the name, even I cannot pronounce properly. It's Kaj Schmidt, Schmidt. So it actually commemorates a young Danish sailor who in 1930 jumped into the sea at this very spot to save a woman who was drowning. Although he was successful in rescuing that woman, but unfortunately he lost his life in that process. And to to honor him, or to like what can I say? To honor him, we can say, to remember his selfless courage that he has shown, they made this memorial. So there I think the small history is also written, right? So this memorial stands as a symbol of selfless courage, humanity beyond the nationality and all, right? So today it is one of the most recognizable landmarks here. So you can see they have written a small history. Was born in he was posted Madras office of East. He saved the life of an English girl who was struggling in sea and lost his own life during the incident. Then the governor of Madras, Sir George Frederick Stanley, built the memorial to recognize his gallantry and bravery. The memorial was built for the humanity and sacrifice of Danish citizen Schmidt, who laid his life here to save the life of others. Wow, so it's very interesting. I did not know until now, because I have come to Chennai earlier, but I never got to know that what exactly this memorial is for. Nice. Now we'll try to go to that church, but unfortunately it is closed now. Let us see, means the lighting there switched off. So right opposite to Elliott Beach there's a road, and we have come onto that road. Now we are going to a veg restaurant. We are going to a veg restaurant to eat some vegetarian food. So we'll try. Let us see what we get there. So right now we are going to that. So one thing I observed, like at the beach there is a lot of vibe, a lot of people, but just opposite road it's very quiet. not much traffic. Comparatively very quiet in fact.
It doesn't seem it's
And it's
Muslim
not,
place.
yeah, it's not very late. It's around 8:50, around 9 p.m. you can say. Right.
All the crazy people are in the
That's
beach.
nice.
That's why
The
it's quiet here.
roads are nice. Traffic. Red flowers there. Here as well. It's nice. This road is beautiful. Right. The flower, I don't know. What do you call that? Bougainvillea? What is the name of that flower? Bougainvillea. You have to check out what's the name. I'm not very sure. Are we there, Babu? Show me the map. No, we still have to go a little bit. Okay. Sure, if I would have come during the day, then this place would have looked much better. Again, some white flowers. You can see the flowers has fallen on the street, which is looking really nice. And if the lighting was sufficient, then it would have looked much better, right? So I think in these bylanes also you can find some cute small tea shops, like one which is there.
Tea
Menu
shop. Its name is
the name of
tea
the shop is Tea Shop. Very creative, simple yet creative, genius.
Vijay
naming
Sales,
out
just
sale.
like Vijay Sales.
Just like Vijay Sales.
Tea shop.
Tea shop, just 10 rupees tea shop. And what else is there? I can see some houses here and there. So once we took left, here there are a lot of places to eat. I feel we have Subway, then Taj Plaza, the Kathi roll shop, Just roll shop, and the one where we had to go. Where is that one? Here is, we have Brown Tree. Where is the restaurant where we were supposed to go? Show me once. Let me check out the map. This place looks nice.
Arrived at. It is showing arrived at.
I'll continue the journey. You can see flower shops. They're looking so very nice. Yes. Pharmacy,
yeah.
and just beside the pharmacy we have
This is the
Vishranti Veg Restaurant.
This was the restaurant, right?
And I think opposite to it, many small stalls are there, but they don't seem to be open right now. But we'll go into this Vishranti Veg Restaurant. There are a lot of people are there, so we are hoping it will be good. It was a recommendation from ChatGPT. Okay, let us see. Let's check it out. Let's see what all they have on the menu. People are there. They have quite an extensive menu. Roti, naan, starters, paneer 65, everything. But first we saw this one, the mid one, so it felt like dosa is very expensive. But no, here we have some reasonable pricing, like masala dosa is there for 10 rupees and all. No, sorry, 100 rupees. So we'll have one masala dosa and one idli will have. 2 piece idli. Right? That's what we are going to order. So this is the idli that we got. The masala dosa is yet to come. So the idli looks tempting. The presentation is nice. I have high hopes that this will be good. So we have got our dosa as well, right? So dosa also looks nice. You can see the chutney here is like very white, milky white chutney. I think maybe it's pure coconut chutney apparently, right? Now let us see how it tastes. We have a little bit of spoon here, sambar, and I think this one is maybe tomato chutney. Is it tang? It must be tangy. Yes. And this is coconut. Yeah, seems like pure coconut. So this is the sambar. Let me taste the sambar.
It had some good.
Yeah. So I observed like uh, as you go down south, like in Andhra or Telangana, they use peanut chutney a lot. In Andhra, you'll find a lot of peanut chutney. In Karnataka, I think it's a mix of coconut and dal, maybe. I'm not exactly sure, but mostly I think it is a mix of coconut and dal. And here in Chennai, pure white coconut chutney. The masala is it looks very pure and minimalistic, which is nice, not a lot. The taste is also very, very good. I'm liking it actually.
Feeling is also insufficient.
It's feeling like very pure. And the amount of dosa is quite sufficient.
Dosa is very tasty.
You liking the dosa?
Yes. I'm liking the dosa and now I'll be eating this only.
How about the idli? How was the idli?
Okay.
Idli is
Sambar is tasty. Dosa is more tasty.
dosa is tastier. So overall, I think it's nice. I would say it's nice. Obviously, I have had better, but it's nice. You could try this place. Okay. So we'll finish this. Right. Fine. So we will we will end this vlog here. Right. So we are done with our dinner. That was our dinner. So now we'll go back to our hostel. We'll sleep nicely, and then tomorrow morning probably we are going to head out. We are going to head to Mahabalipuram Seashore Temple. So that will be quite a bit of a journey. We'll try to start in the morning as early as possible, and if possible try to complete it by afternoon, and then we might come back and explore the city again. But tomorrow it is going to be Mahabalipuram day, right? Okay guys, so see you again in the next vlog. So I'll end this vlog here. So this was day one. This was day one. This was day one in Chennai, right? So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.